This is coconut biscuit known as poloo in Ghana, and in today's video that is what I'm going to share with you. So I brought you how to make this, and it was the frying method. People were asking me questions on Facebook. They were like, can you bake it? Oh yes, you can bake it. The last time I baked coconut biscuits was like 2 years ago. I don't remember. So today I decided to bring you the other version of the baking version. Okay, someone was asking me, how did you take the water from the coconut? I mean, how did you break the coconut? That is what you saw on the screen. Okay, so you can actually use your hammer as well to break it, or you can hit it on the floor or on the wall and then you break it. That is how I brought the water out from the coconut, and as you can see, I'm illustrating it on the screen. Okay, yes, it is very easy to do so. So if today is the first time here, hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena, and please, after watching this video, do not hesitate to share to others, and please follow or subscribe. It is actually free. Thank you so much for your beautiful time. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. I do appreciate it. So it is very easy to remove, okay? But because of where my tripod stand is and where I'm standing, that is why you can see that maybe I'm struggling. But it is very easy to make it. So after removing everything, I'll go ahead and then wash it behind camera, okay, so that the video will not be very long, even though it is long already. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do now, and then I will show it to you. So welcome back. I'm done washing my coconut, and I have a very good blender. I'm just going to pour this in my blender and then blend it without water. I did not add water to it. Okay, I'm just blending only this. But if your blender is not good, just add some water or maybe coconut milk and then you blend it. Okay, so welcome back. I did not add any water to it. I blended only the coconut. Thank you so much. I will then add my 6 cups of all-purpose flour. I used 3 coconuts, 6 cups of all-purpose flour, and then I'll go ahead and add a tablespoon of nutmeg, a tablespoon of vanilla, half cup of brown sugar. Use the sugar according to your taste. Okay, if you want 1 cup, 2 cups, that is your taste, but I use half. And I'm just going to make sure I mix this very well. The one I brought you had no measurements. That is why I decided to bring you this. And also because people were asking, can you bake this, can we have a video? So I decided to bring you this as well. So I am mixing it very well. I'm not going to add anything apart from the next ingredient that you are seeing on the screen. So that is my coconut milk. Okay, I've used my coconut milk, and that is 400 ml. Yes, 400 ml. I'll mix it very well. I did not add any water to it again, and that is the dough that I've formed. Okay, so you mix it till you form a dough, and we've gotten that perfect dough. I did not add any liquid to it again. If you've watched till this point and you haven't subscribed or followed, please, what are you waiting for? Can you do so for me? It is very free bonto, no libi, no labala. Okay, now I sprinkle a tablespoon of all-purpose flour on my working surface, and I am now working on the dough with my rolling pin. So I'm just going to cut it into the sizes and the shapes that I want. You can use your biscuit cutter, but I'm not going to use that. I will use my knife, and then we proceed. Thank you so much once again, and please, have you liked the video? If not, do so for me, because it is not easy to do video. Okay, thank you so much for your time, and please do not forget to share to others, and do not forget to follow or subscribe for free. And please follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. So this is how I'm going to cut them. Okay, this is the size that I want, and this is the shape that I'm going for. Normally this is the shape that we have in Ghana. We don't use biscuit cutter, but you can use the cutter if you want it. Okay, so this is the size and this is the thickness that I want. Okay, I want it very thick. So I'm now going to place this in my oven and then we proceed. Thank you once again. So after some time it is ready. Please, we all have different oven. All ovens are never the same, so just study your oven and know how you regulate it. Okay, it can be ready within 10 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit, but yours may not be ready. So just study your oven and know how you do your things when you are baking. Okay, thank you so much for your patience. I do appreciate it, and I think I've answered all your questions and now you are okay with me. So I come your way next time. Always remember, I do appreciate everything that you've been doing for me. See you in the next one, and please do not forget to share, like, comment, subscribe or follow for more videos. See you in the next one. I love you. My name is Lena. Thank you.